amidst the many good performances at the Gibson relays, there was some concern, at least for the 2023 World 400 meters champion, Antonio Watson, who was up against the informed man, Adrian Barnes, on the anchor leg of the clubs and institutions mile relay. Barnes took Watson to school down the stretch to win the race comfortably and sound a loud warning for the rest of the season. And obviously, Adrian Barnes is in super form, while Antonio Watson is on his way back from serious injury that caused him to miss the Olympics last year. The good thing for Watson, though, is that there are still a few months to go before the national trials and eventually the World Championships. He got a good run out and finished the race injury-free, as we all look forward to seeing many more battles between Watson and Barnes to the end of the season and beyond.